Many people think about building muscles as abandoning life outside the gym and devoting hours in the gym like a monk in a monastery. Perhaps the only way to chisel the body into a hot muscular physique is by toiling hour by hour over the rusty iron day in, day out and year in, year out. This need not be so. Although hard work is truly required, extreme fitness demands one to be a slave of the iron weights. Full body workouts can make one progress and it easily fits in one's schedule. This is very convenient if one is looking forward to achieving extreme fitness but finds it hard to hold on to a single workout routine. Genuine full-body workouts done by athletes with an aim in mind makes for maximum muscle contraction using heavy weights, makes room for full recovery so one can actually grow and continue to train hard, plus it also prevents burnout which is inevitable due to excess training. So if one is ready for extreme fitness, here is all there is to know about full-body workout. Full-body workout is a time saver. The biggest plus about having the whole body trained all at once is probably having to go to the gym less frequently, perhaps around 2 to 3 times for every 7 days would be enough. Another advantage of working out the entire body all at once is that one need not spend 2 or more hours of strenuous exercise in the gym for every session, one only spends 1 hour in the gym for every session. So that's just 3 to 4 hours per week in the gym, right? With full-body workouts, it is all about the quality of exercise one does for session and not the quantity, nor even the amount of time you allot per session. Full-body workout boosts the cardiovascular system for extreme fitness. One must allot 2 to 4 sets for every body part into the 1-hour session. Jam-packed with exercising, each 1-hour session then gets the heart and the rest of the cardiovascular system pumping and up to speed in a flash. Now feeling pumped up, next find out what rules does one have to follow when engaging in full-body workouts. Training commences only once every 2 to 3 days. This is so easy, isn't it? What is great about this is that there is time spared during rest days so that one can indulge in a few cardio exercise sessions instead of depending on cardio exercises one normally does at the end of each workout session, which after all, are not at all very effective. Heavy lifting is strongly advised. Contrary to popular belief, especially among athletes. It is not true that it is good to get trapped on training lightly than one actually could so as to conserve energy for the other body parts that will come later in the routine. What is true is that one cannot achieve optimal progress if one is not training heavy, no matter which program that person is doing. One exercise only per muscle group. This is very easy to follow and is also important. Doing basic exercises which are also intense means you do not have to do another different exercise for that body part. Keep workout short. Resistance training affects the natural hormones of the body connected to muscle building. Intense exercising boosts the testosterone levels and long workouts increase those of catabolic cortisol. 60 minutes of workout allows you to get the best of both worlds. Now with this convenient and powerful workout regimen, one can now truly experience extreme fitness. Please like, subscribe and share the video and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. We make videos like this every day for your health and natural fitness.